A few months ago, I joined an online English group. I was excited. I wanted to improve my English. I wanted to speak more confidently. On the first day, many people joined the meeting. Some people spoke very well. Their English sounded smooth and natural. I listened carefully. I understood most of what they said. But I did not speak. I wanted to say something. I had many ideas in my mind. But I stayed quiet. I was afraid. I thought my English was not good enough. I thought people might laugh at me. I thought I would make mistakes. So I said nothing. The meeting ended. I felt disappointed. I asked myself a question. Why am I afraid to speak English? The next week, I joined the meeting again. This time, I decided to speak. Not for 5 minutes. Not for 1 minute. Just one sentence. That was my goal. When the host asked a question, my heart started beating fast. I felt nervous. But I raised my hand. Then I spoke. Hello everyone. I am happy to be here. That was all. Just one sentence. Nobody laughed. Nobody made fun of me. In fact, people smiled. One person said, "Good job." Another person said, "Welcome." I felt surprised. All this time, I was afraid of something that never happened. After that day, I started speaking more. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I forgot words. Sometimes my sentences were not perfect. But that was okay. Every week, I became a little better. Every conversation taught me something new. Then I realized something important. People are not waiting for perfect English. They just want to understand you. Today, I still make mistakes. But I am not afraid anymore. Because I know that speaking is the only way to improve. And my journey started with just one simple sentence. Hello everyone. I am happy to be here. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please like this video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Story 2 Speak for more simple English stories. See you in the next story.